Come and spend some time here at my state capitol, a place that reminds me of the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C. And just wanted to share some sights and sounds from the state capitol of California, Sacramento. Absolutely gorgeous. Thomas Starr King, 1824 to 1864. Courageous and inspirational San Francisco minister, stalwart defender of the Union during the Civil War, advocate of racial justice, admired educator, and pioneering nature writer. Starr King was a Unitarian preacher credited with keeping California from seceding from the Union at the dawn of the Civil War. His ceaseless advocacy for the Union cause would earn him the title Apostle of Liberty. What's your name?
Hadim.
Hadim. And you are from?
Nigeria.
Hadim is from Nigeria. He's visiting us right now. Have a good time, my brother.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Read that. It's amazing. It'll make you feel proud to be an American. Thanks to the Lord for our freedom. Have a good day, young man.
You too now. Dedicated to you, a free citizen in a free land. This reproduction of the Liberty Bell was presented to the people of California by direction of the Honorable John W. Snyder, Secretary of the Treasury, as the inspirational symbol of the United States Savings Bonds Independence Drive from May 15th to July 4th, 1950. It was displayed in every part of this state. The dimensions and tone are identical with those of the original Liberty Bell when it rang out our independence in 1776. In standing before this symbol, you have the opportunity to dedicate yourself, as did our founding fathers, to the principles of the individual freedom for which our nation stands.